Thanks for visiting Emily Davis Designs DIY projects and reviews channel. If you watched the Keychain Inserts with Canva video I did, this is one of the products I used. I am going to review MTLEE Acrylic Photo Frame Keychain. I used the 100 pieces quantity. The full item description on Amazon is 100 pieces clear acrylic photo frame keychain photo, insert key rings, blank rectangle DIY keychain picture frame, key ring with split ring suit for 1.3 by 1.8 inches photos. If you decide you want to try this product, I will have the link down below in the description box. Alright, let's go through the description of this product. The package comes with 100 pieces of blank acrylic photo keychains. Each acrylic blank attaches a split ring, easy to use, significant quantity, can meet your different needs, or you can share with your friends and family. Suitable size. The external size of the rectangle acrylic photo frame measures about 1.57 by 2.36 inches, which can hold a photo that is about 1.3 by 1.8 inches, and the metal ring measures approximately 0.98 inches in diameter, easy to carry and store. Transparent and lightweight. These picture key rings are made of quality PS plastic material and metal rings. Transparent and clear, strong and reliable, not easy to break or deform, light in weight and convenient to carry, which can serve you for a long time. Photo insert design. The clear material makes the slice look transparent and delicate. You simply remove the clear casing panel, insert your photo, and then clip the panel back into place. And each blank slice can insert 2 photos on the front and back. Fun to DIY. You can draw colorful patterns or write meaningful words or letters or stick exquisite decorative decals on the clear acrylic blanks. DIY according to your preference, which can show your imagination and improve your handmade ability. It did come in like a cardboard kind of box, like as you can see here, and then the keychains came in like a big kind of a Ziploc kind of bag, as you can see right there in that right photo. And each keychain is comes with their own little Ziploc little bag, so they're individually wrapped. You can see here, this is what it looks like after I inserted my images. I did like a front and back of the keychains, and they were easy to use, easy to do, and I put them each in their little Ziploc bag that they came in for each of their keychains, and it looks really nice. It came out really great. Let's go through our checklist. Contents. I purchased the 100 quantity. It did come with 100 keychains, so that's a check. The size was a great size for a keychain. Nice size, so that's a check mark. Transparent, lightweight. Yes, it did come. I mean, the actual product is transparent and lightweight. I like the look and feel of it. When I put my inserts in them, it looked really good inside this clear keychain, so that's a check mark. Easy to follow directions. The directions were easy to follow. They were simply remove the clear casing panel, insert your photo, and then clip the panel back into place. And yeah, those are the simple instructions that I followed. Keychains did come out great, so that's also a check mark. Let's get to my rating. I give this product a 5-star rating. For watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.